Hey everybody. All right, this is the week 7 discussion board. So we're going to be talking about workplace capabilities. So you see in the instructions there is that little table there with all the different workplace capabilities in there. Not all of them, there are just lots, but those are the ones that we're focusing on primarily. So this is what we're going to be doing. You're going to be reading that little article there. There's a link there at the top about workplace capabilities. You're going to start to think about those workplace capabilities that are mentioned. Technological literacy, information literacy. I mentioned those two because that's what I teach primarily. But also things like perseverance, working together with other people, that kind of stuff. We're going to be focusing on that, and you're going to choose one of those, and you're going to develop a post in which you talk about one of these different theories, these theorist reflections. Remember, we've done those. One of these theories that we covered this year, this term, and how that has kind of helped to bring out this specific workplace capability in you. Essentially, this is an opportunity for you to take some of these different theories and the workplace capability and kind of bring the two of them together. It's an opportunity for you to just reflect on why it is important for you to have a workplace capability like this. How do you possess it, and how have you better understood it in doing some of the other work and some of these theorist reflections that we've done this term? Okay, so I'm not asking you to write a book or anything like that. Obviously, you want to have an initial post of at least 150 words, but if you go through one of those theorist reflections and talk, even a little bit about one of these workplace capabilities, 150 words is going to be a piece of cake. It really is. So that's what we're going to be doing this term, or this week in the discussion board. Those three theorist reflections, those are the ones that we uploaded to ePortfolio not that long ago. So that's what we're talking about. Just go through the work you've already done, read through them, kind of familiarize yourself again with what they are all about, and then use that as kind of a jumping off point to talk about at least one of these workplace capabilities. Feel free to talk about more than one, but the minimum is going to be at least one. So that's what we're going to be doing. You're going to do that. You're going to have your initial post, and you're going to have at least 3 replies to other people. It could be me, it could be your classmates. A mix of both is ideal, but that's really what we're going to be looking for this week. So do whatever you can to really put together a nice initial post. Try to get in and post as early as possible so that you can spend the rest of the week talking to your classmates and kind of facilitating discussion there and getting into it a little bit more. So looking forward to seeing what you all bring to the table this week. Thanks.